Off we go. Oh, that's a big boy. Fucking Jesus. Now it's a little bit of time for some filtering and how to go about doing it. Here we are with a little bit less speed, an awful lot less wind noise. We're about to get to a big fucking bridge. Fuck. I was going to use this morning commute as an opportunity to filter, because yesterday, for example, it's just two complete ends of the fucking spectrum. Yesterday, the traffic that is slowly building up in front of us, right there, just at the traffic lights, there's like, what, 10, 15 cars maybe? Not even that, but starting way behind the fucking bridge. So before you even got onto the bridge, it was like that, just constant two-lane, slowly moving traffic lights. Okay, another section of traffic lights. This isn't going to be the perfect example. Oh, for fuck's sake! The one fucking I specifically left early so I could have time to do all this. Just to make sure, just in case I need to stop for whatever reason, just set up the camera to start recording, to stop recording once I get to work. I left early and everything. What the fuck is this bullshit? And yesterday I was late for work because of all the traffic. There's only so much filtering that you can actually do. I think that man can actually hear me. I'm wondering if that's the case. That fucking rattling, I think I know exactly where it's coming from. It's really pissing me off. Stop! It is that. It's the fucking heat shield. That's us. Pretty much at work. Hello. Hello. There's a car there. Don't normally see cars there. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna park up here and we're gonna stop the video. Bit of a failed one. No examples of filtering. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.